Special Agent Vusma Voso from the National Security Agency of South Africa.
Alright, Badra. Nkaudiela.
I'm currently doing an investigation on someone called Nyamaholik.
Nyamaholiki.
Yeah, and the bank with the department ibeti 411 kule bar. And I was wondering ukuthi ungangishanga copy nyana.
Hey, modimo wa taga ba dithapelo tsa rena. E re go ntshetse tsona warra. How? Hemon.
Gamba.
Di file tsa o di nyakang ha di sa leo.
Oh, we. Mangitshuna.
How much is the time?
1:30.
Perfect. What's about young bafanas?
Yeah,
Ya kwa go spetele ne?
sure.
O fita kwa o ba botsa go gopela o bona Jovis.
Who doctor?
That's Nyamaholik's #1 victim. Hey, hape wa ivuva ya Ntwanela.
Alright, ngiyabonga Grootman.
Ha re kaofela. Next.
Bengicela ukusatisfy ID.
Jovis. You have a visitor.
Ivisitor yani manje?
Ula uthi.
Sure, kuhambani?
Kamale Vusma Voso. I'm a special agent of the NIS.
Okay, manje ngenaphi mina?
Currently doing an investigation on le pari le batho Nyamaholik. And I was wondering if you can help us.
Ngathi ufuna ukungifaka eJIV manje. Abe kancane nje.
Ungasabi ntwana. I'm here to help you. Futhi uzokushanga protective custody.
U serious Joe?